Hey, I'm Sam David with King David's Contractors. We're over here on this updated project, a little update on the project we got going on here today. So turn around, we're going to give you a nice little glimpse. We have completed framing, we have completed our sheathing, we completed all the windows, and now we're going to start on mechanicals and go over some finished details. So come with me inside so we check all this out. So we're just finishing up the final touches. We're adding all of our Tico hangers on, we're adding all of our hurricane ties, pretty much bottoming them, just going through those finite details with framing. Some features that we particularly like to make sure are in is all of our bathrooms. You walk in and there is blocking as much as we can everywhere. So if your toilet's going to go here, you're going to have blocking for your toilet paper. If your vanity is going to go here, you're going to have a blocking for your towel bar. We got a mirror that we know we're going to go right here, and we already put these things in, so we get a solid surface when we're mounted to it. These are some features we add. And then again, same thing in the kitchen, is we have our kitchen cabinet framing ready to go. So as you can tell, we don't leave it up to a guessing game of where a stud is. They're gonna hit that 2x4 or 2x12 in that case, and you're gonna get a solid surface. Let's go check out the upstairs. Okay, so we're coming up to the second floor, and right when you walk up, we got our beautiful piece of plywood right there. What we are going to do on there is you're going to have all of our QR codes, some plans potentially, giving information over to the trade so they can know what they have to do. Again, like I said, we got our framers finishing up all the blocking going on in the bathrooms. As we head into the master or primary bedroom, some things we as the contractors acknowledged or noticed was the bedroom was actually extremely big, I'll say, and the bathroom is a little small. So we encourage the owners to actually pull that bathroom an extra foot this way, increasing his and her closets and giving that bathroom a 48-inch vanity instead of the original 36. So one thing we like to do is we walk through all of our trades. So our plumbers came through, we went through, we were laying out a toilet and this bathroom right over here, and then we found out that the toilet wasn't centered with the window. So we went based off the plans, and everything seemed like it was fine. I guess the plans are the plans, whatever. It is what it is. So we, as the contractors, are going to take the initiative and move that window over, which it turns out they actually already did it this morning. So the window there is now centered. Toilet's going to be centered with that. Shower's going to go there. We're going to put the vanity here. And everything is just coordinating. Everything's fitting the way it's supposed to be. And we're in the basement, actually. So you come down here, we actually got some grass growing over there. Pretty interesting. We've not exactly sure how that happened, but it happens. So we are waiting on the slab to get actually poured here so we could finish our plumbing underground. So we have our sub pump going right over there. Maybe we get lucky. We don't need the sub pump, and our water sewer main will come in over there, and then we don't have to worry about it. But right now we're assuming we're going to be below. Our main will come up a little bit high, so we need a sub pump. So we got our... Sorry, what was the question?
What usually pumps it out?
What usually pumps it out? So usually gravity fed. So usually basically all your pipes will come down, your water main will be about 6 or 7 feet here, and then go straight out. Typically in your basement you usually have about 7-foot basement ceiling heights. And then your water main is, your sewer main is underground, and you don't have these issues. So in our case, our sewer main is hopefully going to be lower. We don't really know yet, but I think it's probably going to be about 7 feet off the finished ceiling. And we have to pump it. So that's going to be an injector pump, go right into our sewer main from the street, and straight out to the town, and let them handle it from there. Hopefully we'll get this job done soon.